Think small RVs can't feel like a luxury hotel? Think again. Today, I'm taking you inside the Hymer B674SL, a compact, full-time RV that's packed with hidden features. And yes, a shower that's bigger than most bathrooms in your apartment. Stick around, because every corner of this van hides a surprise that makes full-time RV living feel effortless. From the outside, you can already see how sleek and well-designed this RV is. It's compact enough to fit into city streets or small campsites, but don't let the size fool you. Every inch has been thought out. Look at these exterior compartments. Some of them you might not even notice at first glance. There's roof storage for all your adventure gear, hidden side panels for tools, and even retractable steps that slide out when you need them. Honestly, small touches like these are what make a huge difference on the road. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the brightness and openness. The living area feels much larger than you'd expect. The swivel seats in the front can rotate to face the living space, instantly creating a social area where you can relax, eat, or work. The foldable table is cleverly hidden when not in use, and under-seat storage ensures every item has its place. You could honestly pack weeks of travel gear in here without feeling cramped. And then there's the kitchen. Compact but so functional. You've got a full-size fridge, a sink, a stove, and clever storage everywhere. The pull-out countertops give you extra prep space when you need it, and there are hidden compartments for utensils, spices, and small appliances. Cooking in an RV has never been this convenient. I love how they've thought of everything. There's even a spot for your coffee machine, because let's be honest, caffeine is life on the road. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the shower. Small RV, big shower, and Hymer absolutely nailed it. This isn't just a place to get clean, it's a proper, comfortable space where you can move around easily. The detachable shower head makes it super flexible, and the shelves and compartments mean all your toiletries stay organized. Imagine starting your day here on a chilly morning. It feels like a tiny spa. Honestly, I wish my apartment had this much space. The bedroom is just as clever. The bed is comfortable, the storage underneath is massive, and even the lighting is designed to make the space feel cozy and warm. Full-time RVers will love this because it's a real sleeping space that doesn't feel like a fold-out sofa in a van. And if guests come along, the versatility of the setup makes it easy to accommodate them without losing comfort. What I love most about this RV is the hidden features everywhere you look. Pull-out tables, secret drawers, clever lighting panels that hide when not needed, and underfloor compartments that hold everything from shoes to outdoor gear. Even the blinds and shades are smartly designed for privacy and light control. Every single feature feels intentional, designed to make full-time living not just possible, but genuinely enjoyable. And it's not just about space, it's about convenience. Every switch, every drawer, every compartment has a purpose. The Hymer B674SL proves that small spaces don't have to be a compromise. From easy-to-clean surfaces to well-placed power outlets and USB charging ports, it's set up for modern life on the road. You could literally live here full-time without ever feeling cramped or stressed. So whether you're dreaming about weekend trips, long adventures, or full-time RV life, this small but mighty motorhome shows that luxury and practicality can coexist in the perfect balance. Honestly, I was surprised by almost every feature, from the big shower to hidden compartments, and I guarantee you will be too. Which feature surprised you the most? Was it the shower, the clever storage, or the foldable kitchen space? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe for more RV tours and hidden feature discoveries. The Hymer B674SL really proves that small can be spectacular, and smart design can make life on the road feel incredibly luxurious.